welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Divine and I do videos of hauls, vlogs, lifestyle, home decors, and luxury stuff. If those are the type of videos that you guys like to watch, then please consider subscribing to my channel. And onto today's video, as you guys can tell that I will be doing a reveal on what I got from Gucci. That is from my thumbnail and also the title of this video. And this is actually a gift from my husband for Christmas. I was not expecting this one since we told each other that no gifts this year, basically last year in 2021. But he still managed to surprise me with something something small. I mean, it's not really small, but you know what I mean. But anyway, so it's really not an unboxing because I did unbox this one already. If you guys want to see my future unboxings or other unboxings that I'm gonna be doing, I have my TikTok for that, and I will be linking them down below, and also the name over here or here or here somewhere. Anyways, so like I said, I unboxed this one already, and this is what it looks like inside. And I don't have the shoe there because I did take it out, but I'm just trying to see what else is there. The shoes came in dust bags like these. They're so cute. I've never had Gucci shoes before, and when I unboxed these, I didn't really inspect or check the dust bags. I just know that they're brown and they look cute, but these are so cute. And wait, before I reveal it, this is what it looks like right in the front, the Gucci. It's so nice. And the shoes that I got is this one, guys. This is the Gucci A sneakers with a B, and the other pair is this one. Right there. So if you guys are familiar with this, then you know that the back is one is green and one is red, and it is so cute. This has been on my wish list for like the longest time, guys. I'm gonna say a little over 2 years, because before we went to Europe, I've had this on my mind. I just could not bring myself to purchasing it, just because, I mean, for shoes they are a lot of money, and I was not into investing my money into shoes yet. And yeah, anyways, but I got them now, and I wanted these shoes because of the Adidas Superstar. I like that style of shoes, and I like these stylish shoes because they're so casual. I cannot give you guys a review of the shoe yet, just because I haven't worn it. That's the reason why I'm doing this video, so that I can start wearing them. But that's how it looks like, guys. I will probably do a little clip it here somewhere. But I got a size 37 on these. I have another pair of luxury shoes. They're from Chanel's, but I got a 37.5 on that one. These are 37. And honestly, I did try them on. I haven't walked in them. I just tried them on if it fits, and it does fit me as long as I have the right socks. So yeah, and on top of like those stuff, it came with like a freebie. My husband told me, oh, and you got this one too. And this is like the small reusable, it's not a small one, it's huge, a ginormous reusable bag from Gucci. And I guess it's from like the Gucci like 100 years or something like that, because hold up, right there, that's so cute. So I think I'm gonna start using these for certain things. Oh, okay. And then it also has Gucci.com right there inside, the inside lining. And yeah, this is pretty huge. I don't know what I'm gonna use this for. Probably from like traveling. I don't know if I'm gonna use it for groceries. I'm not exactly sure. What do you guys use these for usually? I mean, I know reusable bags are for like grocery or shopping and stuff like that, but what other uses would you use them for? So yeah, anyways, so that is it, guys. I will probably be doing a review on this one once I, you know, try them on or use them a few times, so I can give you guys a better review. And I did tell you guys that I did get a size 37. just admiring it. It's so cute. I'm so excited. I was kind of, I don't know, I kind of felt guilty and I wanted to return it just because, but I'm gonna keep it because I know I'm gonna regret it if I do. If you guys have this shoe, please comment down below. How do you guys like them? How's the sizing and stuff like that? Or if this is on your wish list, then let me know. I am actually looking at another sneakers that's a different print or like design, and we'll see. If I like these, I might get that, but we'll see, guys. And I think that is it. Oh, it did come with, I apologize, it did come with, where is it? I don't know if I told you guys, but their papers inside are so soft. I don't know what it is, but they're so, yeah, they're just paper, but it's super, it's like thick and soft compared to like the ones that you get from like the store for your paper bags. This is a lot more luxurious. I don't know if I'm gonna keep that, but it did come with extra laces, and it comes well, just like this. I think this is just two. I hope it's both. Yeah, there's two of them right here, right there, and whoa. Okay, so that's just how it looks like. Focus. That's just, there you go. So that's how it looks like, guys. So, okay. Hi guys, I know this is not part of the video, but I needed to insert this clip because of the said giveaway that I said or stated on my thumbnail and also my title of this video. So I will be inserting the unboxing of what this box is, and that is what you're gonna be winning. And I'm giving away this item because it is my birthday at the end of this month. So if it's my birthday, it's also your birthday, so I'm giving out something small. It's nothing really extravagant, but it's just something like a small gesture just to say thank you. And I hope you guys join this giveaway. I will be putting another basically the rules to this giveaway will be after this clip. So good luck, guys. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know why I keep on using my hands, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys have any questions, please don't forget or don't hesitate to comment on the comments section down below for any questions that you guys have. And also please like this video if you guys like this video, so that at least I know you guys like this type of videos and I can do more of them. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. It'll help me out, and I shall see you guys on my next video. Bye.